The global film industry is facing a new challenge, as U.S. President Donald Trump has announced a bold measure to curb the influence of international film productions. In a recent post, Trump declared a 100% tariff on movies made outside the United States, calling it a response to Hollywood's fast decline. He claims the influx of international productions, bolstered by tax incentives in other countries, is threatening the heart of American cinema. Central Europe has become a prime destination for Hollywood and international filmmakers. Countries like the Czech Republic and Hungary have long attracted filmmakers due to their experienced crews, affordable labor, and attractive tax breaks. The region's stunning landscapes, filled with castles, rolling hills, and historical sites, serve as perfect backdrops for a variety of productions, from historical dramas to fantasy epics. Notably, international streaming giants like Netflix have turned to Central Europe to create blockbuster content, with films like The Gray Man highlighting the growing influence of these regions. As Hollywood studios face mounting pressure to compete in the global content race, Central Europe continues to attract major investments, becoming an essential hub for the global film industry. Trump's new tariff may significantly alter the landscape for international film productions. As this policy takes effect, it will be interesting to see how it reshapes the way films are made, produced, and distributed globally.
Aby jdeš, jo?
Boj to, ty nesmíš. Ty nesmíš. Proč? Oni můžou, ale ty já nevím.
Píše impro first.
Čepáne.
A vodu.
Ano, a to. Tak jo, připravte.
To nepotřebujeme. To nepotřebujeme.
Za negrou staráješ.
Harvey mu tu hlavu jako připozdehne, třeba to zná prstem mu veme pod bradou a zvedne mu tu hlavu nahoru, jako, jo?
Okay.
Jede.
Stop!
Tiše, prosím. Tiše. 68, 3 poprvé.
Klap.
Za něho staraj.
Están fotografiando